What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash like button, turn your post notifications. Today is just a cardio day. I'm going to end up doing 55 minutes of cardio. I'm extremely tired. I'm sore from yesterday, but yesterday was good. Had a good time lifting with my brother. If you haven't checked out that vlog, check that out. I wanted to get into the gym early. It is right now, I think it's 6:50. Then I have to go get ready or take the kids to school, get ready, and then go to my son's kindergarten graduation. So looking forward to seeing that, getting to work. I think I have like 10 appointments today. So that's a good Tuesday for me. Yeah, other than that, not too much crazy stuff this morning. Just wanted to get this cardio in. If my wife wants to go to the gym later, I might live with her unless she already goes during the day when I'm at work. But I don't know. My sister-in-law is supposed to be in today, and my aunt is supposed to be in today. So I think our evening is going to be pretty busy. So she'll probably go while I'm at work, but we'll see. But appreciate you guys tuning into this video once again. Try to get some footage of the shop and see what else we can vlog today. But other than that, I think I'm going to skip breakfast today. I don't think I'll have time to eat. So I'll probably just eat dinner. So we'll see what we cook up for that. But yeah, appreciate you guys for tuning in. Let's get to this day. We are on our way to my son's kindergarten graduation. So let's look at the fit real quick. We got the Raiders snapback. We got a cream colored Salute the Barber tee. On the back it says respect the craft in like red, like kind of cursive lettering. We got the black shorts on, and then we have the 11 bread lows. So there's the fit for the day. Jordy, what we here to see? Are you being a baby now? Because you were Papa? Yes. Shout out to my little man making it all the way through his kindergarten year. Mr. Kai Jessup. There it is. Kai smile. Sorry, this kid is something else.
Hi, Jessup. Woo! Man. Smile, buddy. There you go.
Good job, son.
If you haven't noticed, we have a second Discord.
And here's my brother that I was working out with last night. That's his son right there. It's my nephew, Liam. All right, so I had a barber buy a shirt not too long ago. So now we're gonna take said shirt and take it to this barber. Great barber, taught me some things when I first came into the game. So shout out to him, Alex Martinez here in Amarillo, Texas. Left my son's graduation and I'm about to get my day started with the shop now. So my first one's at 10:30, so I'm gonna go swing this by his shop. He starts at 10, and then drop that off and get to the shop. Just delivered it to my boy's suite. He ain't here, so we're gonna leave it at the door. That's what he instructed. So let's get to work. At home, sweet home. Let's get some haircuts in, guys. It's 12 o'clock now, and I am going to have a little snack here. So I went a little convenience store run for the guys and myself. So we got a peppered beef sticks, 140 calories, 23 grams of protein, 3 grams of carbohydrates. So that's what we're gonna eat. I got 2 of them bad boys. I didn't eat anything this morning, and I'm gonna enjoy it with a Coke Zero. So I'm gonna eat that and get back to my clients. I cut 2 up and got hungry, so now that's what we're up to. I had a cancellation or reschedule. Somebody rescheduled, so I have 6 more. So we'll get to it.
Y'all, can I be completely honest with y'all? I'm tired. I am tired. I woke up at, what time did I wake up this morning? I woke up at 5:20, I think. But I'm tired. It's been a long day. But it's time to get home. Time to throw some meat on the Blackstone, and it's time to eat. You know, that beef jerky was good, but it didn't really suffice on fulfilling my hunger. I mean, I've lasted all day. I was a little hungry, but it wasn't anything that was crazy. But I'm ready to eat. I'm ready to eat some food now. My wife marinated some meat, and now I'm gonna go throw it on the grill, and we're gonna feed our faces. So I'm excited for dinner. Good day at the shop, though. I didn't really record a lot of footage, just in the moment, talking amongst the crew, talking to my clients, and I didn't really get a lot of footage today. But I got some of my coworker. I wanted to take a picture. I wanted to take a video of that design he did, because he kills it. He kills every haircut he does. That man is so focused. He's, of barbers that I've met in life, he's in the top 3 barbers. Like, somebody I've physically seen their haircut, not on YouTube, not on Instagram, not on social media, physically seeing him cut. I gotta say that his haircuts are better than a lot of barbers I've seen in person, influencer barbers in person. His haircuts are amazing. But he's one of the barbers that I go to, him or my boss, when I'm going out of town. I usually get my haircut from them. But let's get home. We are home. Threw some Kerrygold butter on the grill. We got some marinated chicken right here. Gonna let it heat up a little bit and slap those bad boys on. There it is. It smells so good. It's a beautiful day. Got the trampoline, got the kids playing, got the grass is cut. It's a beautiful day. Here is the final product. We got a tortilla right there. 60 calories, 0 carbs, and 10.8 ounces of chicken. So that's dinner. Oh, and I forgot edamame, which is really good too. All right, Jay Blenders, I appreciate you for locking into this video. I'm tired. My aunt is finally going to be in town that I've been talking about for the past 2-3 days now. She'll be here in about 30 minutes. My sister-in-law didn't end up coming, like I was talking about in the vlog this morning. She'll be in tomorrow. My father and my mother-in-law will be in on Thursday. And we're gonna have a good weekend. Memorial Day weekend. I wish I could go fish, but it's probably not gonna happen this weekend because I gotta go to work on Saturday. I'm trying to not be out of work that often right now, because I'm about to be out of work June 5th through the 11th, because we're going to go on a Jessup family road trip. We're driving 23 hours with 4 kids. We're gonna be driving to Mobile, Alabama first. We're gonna stay there, spend the night, and then we're gonna drive towards Pensacola, and then down that area to Orlando. And then when we get to Orlando, these kids are gonna stuff their face at the United States' biggest McDonald's, and they're gonna get, what are you gonna get? Pasta?
Pizza, pasta,
chicken, fries and a burger.
Fries and a burger? You can get that at any McDonald's. You gotta get something different.
No, I want fries and a burger.
You want fries? What are you gonna get?
I'm gonna get pasta, pizza, and a Big Mac. I'm just kidding. I won't get all that.
Put them all together?
Yeah.
Ugh. Yeah, and then drive down to Miami. So then we're gonna be staying on the beach in Miami. So that's gonna be fun. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, turn on your post notifications. Until next time, God bless y'all, and God bless America.